Welcome! If you're a real estate agent just starting to explore SOC 2 compliance, you might be wondering what it is and why it matters. SOC 2 is a set of standards designed to help organizations manage customer data based on 5 trust principles: security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. For real estate professionals, especially those handling sensitive client information, SOC 2 compliance can be a valuable asset. In this video, we'll break down the costs of SOC 2 compliance tools specifically for beginners in the real estate industry, so you can make informed decisions as you grow your business. Before diving into costs, let's quickly discuss why SOC 2 compliance is important for real estate agents. As you handle client data, you're responsible for keeping it secure. SOC 2 compliance demonstrates to your clients and partners that you take data protection seriously. This can set you apart in a competitive market, build trust, and even open doors to working with larger organizations that require strict data security standards. Understanding the value of SOC 2 will help you appreciate the investment in compliance tools. A SOC 2 compliance tool is software that helps you manage the requirements for SOC 2 certification. These tools guide you through the process, from risk assessments to documentation and ongoing monitoring. For beginners, these platforms can simplify what might otherwise be a complex and overwhelming process. They often include templates, checklists, and integrations with your existing systems, making compliance more accessible and less time-consuming. When evaluating SOC 2 compliance tools, it's important to know what features to look for. Most tools offer automated evidence collection, policy management, risk assessment modules, and real-time monitoring. Some also provide integrations with popular real estate software, making it easier to incorporate compliance into your daily workflow. For beginners, user-friendly interfaces and strong customer support are especially valuable, ensuring you can navigate the process with confidence. Now, let's talk about what influences the cost of SOC 2 compliance tools. Pricing can vary based on several factors: the size of your business, the number of users, the level of automation, and the support offered. Some tools charge per user, while others have flat monthly or annual fees. Additional features, such as integrations or advanced reporting, may also affect the price. Understanding these factors will help you choose a tool that fits both your needs and your budget. SOC 2 compliance tools generally follow a few common pricing models. The most popular are subscription-based, where you pay a monthly or annual fee for access. Some providers offer tiered plans with basic features at a lower cost and premium features at a higher price. Others may charge based on the number of users or the volume of data processed. As a beginner, starting with a basic plan can be a cost-effective way to get started and scale up as your needs grow. For real estate agents just starting out, entry-level SOC 2 compliance tools typically range from $100 to $400 per month. These basic plans usually include essential features like policy templates, evidence collection, and basic support. While they may not offer advanced automation or integrations, they're designed to help small businesses and individuals begin their compliance journey without a huge upfront investment. If you prefer to budget annually, entry-level SOC 2 compliance tools will generally cost between $1,200 and $5,000 per year. Some providers offer discounts for annual payments, which can help you save money in the long run. Be sure to compare what's included in each plan, as some annual packages may bundle in extra support or training resources that are valuable for beginners. Many SOC 2 compliance tool providers offer free trials or demo versions. This is a great way for beginners to test out the software, explore its features, and see if it fits your workflow before committing to a paid plan. Take advantage of these opportunities to get hands-on experience and ask questions about the pricing and support available. Some SOC 2 compliance tools may charge a one-time setup or onboarding fee, especially if they offer personalized training or migration assistance. These fees can range from $200 to $1,000, depending on the level of service. While not all providers charge this fee, it's important to ask about any upfront costs so you can plan your budget accordingly. Support and training are crucial for beginners. Some SOC 2 tools include basic support in their plans, while others offer premium support or personalized training for an additional fee. These extra services can range from $50 to $200 per month. Investing in quality support can save you time and frustration as you navigate the compliance process. While most costs are upfront, be aware of potential hidden fees. These might include charges for additional users, extra storage, or advanced integrations. Some providers also charge for exporting data or generating custom reports. Always read the fine print and ask for a detailed breakdown of all possible fees before making a decision. With so many SOC 2 compliance tools on the market, it's important to compare providers. Look at reviews, feature lists, and pricing structures. Some tools are designed specifically for small businesses or real estate professionals, while others cater to larger enterprises. Make sure the tool you choose aligns with your business size and compliance needs. Some of the most popular SOC 2 compliance tools for small businesses and real estate agents include Drata, Vanta, SecureFrame, and Tugboat Logic. Each offers different features and pricing, so it's worth exploring their websites or reaching out for a demo. These platforms are known for their user-friendly interfaces and strong customer support, making them ideal for beginners. Drata is a leading SOC 2 compliance tool that automates much of the evidence collection and monitoring process. It's known for its intuitive dashboard and seamless integrations with cloud services. Pricing for small teams typically starts around $200 per month, making it accessible for real estate agents who are just beginning their compliance journey. Vanta is another popular choice, offering a range of compliance automation features. Its platform is designed to be user-friendly, with guided workflows and helpful support. Pricing for small businesses usually starts at about $250 per month. Vanta's strong reputation for customer service makes it a solid option for beginners in real estate. SecureFrame is designed to simplify SOC 2 compliance for small businesses. It offers automated evidence collection, policy templates, and continuous monitoring. Pricing starts at around $300 per month. SecureFrame is praised for its easy onboarding process and responsive support, making it a good fit for real estate agents new to compliance. Tugboat Logic is another tool that helps automate SOC 2 compliance. It's known for its flexible pricing and modular features, allowing you to pay only for what you need. Entry-level plans start at about $150 per month. Tugboat Logic is a great option for real estate agents who want a customizable solution that can grow with their business. When comparing these tools, look at the specific features included in each plan. Some may offer more automation, while others focus on integrations or customer support. Consider which features are most important for your business, such as real estate, software integrations, ease of use, or the availability of training resources. As a real estate agent, your compliance needs may differ from those of larger companies. Look for tools that cater to small businesses, offer straightforward onboarding, and provide templates relevant to real estate transactions. The right tool will help you stay compliant without overwhelming you with unnecessary features or complexity. Some SOC 2 compliance tools integrate with popular real estate platforms, such as CRMs or document management systems. These integrations can save you time and reduce manual work by automatically collecting evidence and syncing data. When evaluating tools, check for compatibility with the software you already use in your real estate business. For busy real estate agents, mobile accessibility is a key feature. Some SOC 2 tools offer mobile apps or responsive web interfaces, allowing you to manage compliance tasks on the go. This flexibility can be especially helpful when you're meeting clients or working outside the office. Security and privacy are at the heart of SOC 2 compliance. Make sure the tool you choose uses strong encryption, regular security updates, and robust access controls. These features protect your client's data and help you meet the strict requirements of SOC 2 certification. A user-friendly interface is essential, especially for beginners. Look for SOC 2 tools with clear navigation, helpful tutorials, and responsive customer support. A positive user experience will make it easier to stay on top of compliance tasks and reduce the learning curve. Good customer support can make a big difference, especially if you're new to SOC 2 compliance. Choose a provider that offers live chat, phone support, or a dedicated account manager. Quick and helpful responses can save you time and help you resolve issues before they become bigger problems. As your real estate business grows, your compliance needs may change. Look for SOC 2 tools that offer scalable plans, allowing you to add users or upgrade features as needed. This flexibility ensures you won't outgrow your compliance solution as your business expands. Some SOC 2 tools also support other compliance frameworks like ISO 27001 or HIPAA. If you anticipate needing additional certifications in the future, consider a tool that can grow with your compliance requirements. This can save you time and money down the road. Budgeting for SOC 2 compliance is about more than just software costs. Consider the time you'll spend on training, documentation, and ongoing monitoring. Factor in any additional fees for support or integrations. Planning ahead will help you avoid surprises and ensure you have the resources needed for successful compliance. Investing in SOC 2 compliance can deliver a strong return on investment. Not only does it help you protect client data, but it can also attract new business and build your reputation. For real estate agents, being able to demonstrate compliance can be a powerful differentiator in a crowded market. Let's look at a case study. A small real estate agency with 5 agents chose an entry-level SOC 2 tool at $200 per month. They spent an additional $500 on onboarding and $100 per month for premium support. In total, their first-year investment was about $3,900. By achieving SOC 2 compliance, they were able to secure contracts with larger clients who required strict data security, resulting in significant business growth. A solo real estate agent opted for a basic SOC 2 tool at $120 per month, with no onboarding fee and standard support included. Their total annual cost was $1,440. By using the tool's templates and guided workflows, the agent was able to achieve compliance efficiently, gaining a competitive edge in their local market. Some real estate agents consider a do-it-yourself approach to SOC 2 compliance using spreadsheets and manual checklists. While this can save money up front, it often requires more time and expertise. Managed SOC 2 tools, on the other hand, streamline the process and reduce the risk of errors, making them a better choice for most beginners. Achieving SOC 2 compliance isn't just about money, it also takes time. Expect to spend several hours each week on documentation, training, and monitoring, especially in the early stages. SOC 2 tools can help automate many tasks, but your involvement is still essential for a successful audit. In addition to software costs, you'll need to budget for the actual SOC 2 audit. For small real estate agencies, audits typically range from $5,000 to $15,000, depending on the scope and the auditor you choose. Some SOC 2 tools partner with auditors and may offer bundled pricing or discounts. SOC 2 compliance isn't a one-time event. You'll need to maintain your controls and renew your certification annually. This means budgeting for ongoing software costs, support, and possibly additional audits. Staying proactive will help you avoid lapses in compliance and keep your clients' trust. Don't be afraid to negotiate with SOC 2 tool providers. Ask about discounts for annual payments, small business pricing, or bundled services. Some providers are willing to customize plans to fit your budget, especially if you're just starting out. To get the most value from your SOC 2 tool, take full advantage of included resources like training, templates, and customer support. Engage with your provider's community forums or knowledge base to learn best practices and tips from other users. The more you use the tool, the smoother your compliance journey will be. Avoid common mistakes like underestimating the time required, choosing a tool with too many or too few features, or neglecting ongoing maintenance. Take the time to research your options and plan for both the initial and recurring costs of SOC 2 compliance. Here's a quick checklist for real estate agents starting with SOC 2. Compliance. 1. Identify your compliance needs. 2. Research and compare SOC 2 tools. 3. Test free trials or demos. 4. Budget for software, support, and audits. 5. Plan for ongoing maintenance. Following these steps will help you approach SOC 2 compliance with confidence and clarity. There are many resources available to help you learn more about SOC 2 compliance. Look for webinars, online courses, and provider knowledge bases. Many SOC 2 tool vendors offer educational materials designed specifically for beginners, making it easier to get up to speed. Joining online communities or forums can be a great way to get advice and support from other real estate agents working on SOC 2 compliance. Sharing experiences and tips can help you avoid pitfalls and find solutions to common challenges. As your business grows or your compliance needs become more complex, you may need to upgrade your SOC 2 tool. Watch for signs like increased data volume, more users, or new client requirements. Upgrading at the right time ensures you stay compliant and continue to meet your clients' expectations. To summarize, entry-level SOC 2 compliance tools for real estate agents typically cost between $100 and $400 per month, with possible setup and support fees. Annual costs range from $1,200 to $5,000, plus audit fees. By understanding these costs and planning ahead, you can achieve compliance without breaking the bank. Remember, SOC 2 compliance is an ongoing process. Choose a tool that fits your current needs but can also grow with your business. Take advantage of free trials, ask questions, and don't hesitate to seek support when needed. With the right approach, you'll be well on your way to building a secure and trustworthy real estate business. Thanks for watching this comprehensive guide to SOC 2 compliance tool costs for real estate agents. By understanding the pricing, features, and support options available, you can make informed decisions that protect your clients and grow your business. Stay proactive, keep learning, and you'll find that SOC 2 compliance is an achievable goal even for beginners.